Hi, I'm Mrs. Klein, and today I'm going to teach you guys about your second graders, your math, which is models of multiplication today. So big word, we're going to be multiplying. So that's what we're going to do. Thank you. Okay, we're going to start with this PowerPoint. So I want you guys to pay attention to what we have here. This is multiplication. The objective is that I can model the process of multiplication using repeated addition and number lines. What is multiplication and how do you create a model to show the process of multiplication? These are your essential questions. What is multiplication? How could you apply multiplication to real world situations? And what is repeated addition? How is it related to multiplication? We're going to start with repeated addition first as our first model of multiplication. So think of this. If you guys get $2 every day for a week of allowance, how much will you have at the end of the week? So we can solve this by using addition. But is there a faster way for us to solve this problem? Multiplication will do it much quicker. We know how many days there are in a week, which is 7 days, and then every single day I would get $2. So I could do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 more. That sounds like it takes a very long time. Or I could use multiplication and do 2 times 7. So we're going to talk about repeated addition. It's a way to model a multiplication problem by adding equal amounts of the number to be multiplied. For example, we have 5 times 6. It's the same thing as having 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. That's repeated addition. Here's repeated addition. You can take any notes you need at this point. So repeated addition can be used to solve a multiplication problem. So when we say 4 times 7, this is the same thing as adding 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. I've added it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. I've added 7. 4 tells me how many times I add the number, and 6 tells me the number I am adding. So let's go ahead and practice some of this. So solve 3 times 7 using repeated addition. Well, 3 is the amount of times I add the number. 7 is the number I'm adding, so 3 times 7 is the same as 7 plus 7 plus 7. To solve, I add 7 plus 7, which I know equals 14, plus 1 more 7, which now would equal 21. So 3 times 7 is 21. So now we're going to practice. Solve 9 times 2 using repeated addition. All right, so this means that I have 9 2 times. So I have a 9 plus 9. So if I'm going to solve this, 9 plus 9 is 18. So my answer would be 18 using repeated addition. To solve 3 times 6, this means I have 3 6s. 6 plus 6 plus 6. And that would equal, 6 plus 6 is 12. And I'm going to add 1 more 6. And that's going to give me the answer of 18. Okay, I'm going to erase this so I can go on to my next slide. Whoop, and now that's day 2. So we'll go back. All right, so we're going to go and hopefully you'll have an assignment to do in Study Island where you can practice this more and continue working on this. There was also some flashcards you guys will be able to do. All right, have a great day. Thanks.